Today we're gonna play Monkey Deluxe. The only reason I chose this game was because I like Spicy Deluxe because I'm a fat monkey. And yeah, like and subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. And let's get straight into the video.
Ooh, you're fat.
Oh my god, I was there. Oh, I tried to. Get in! Pineapple, I'm here. Oh, come on, go! He's behind us! Oh my god! What is this place?
I chewed them.
Where do you guys go? Okay, I guess I'll just try to follow you guys. I got it! Ah! Pineapple? You can't beat me, I'm better than you. We can wall run. Oh, get your shot! Oh! Oh! Get from the juice! Oh! No! I did! Wait, Pineapple, you gotta die! We gotta know! Wait, we have to wall run. I got it! Give me a sec. Gotta go AFK.
I'm bad. Wait for me. And you.
Oh my god! Ready? Ah, run! Go! Pineapple, where'd you go? Come on! I found the red room! I got it! Careful, make sure. Put your hand! Did you get the key? Go! Oh! He's behind us! Hurry! Oh! No! Other side, Corey. Let me, wait. Yeah, I found the door. Let's go, Brian. I heard something. Over there. Over here. Oh! Run! He's right behind us, Andy. No, he's right. Oh. Pineapple? Pineapple! Go! went the wrong way. We're gonna have to juke him. Go! He's out! Ow! 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 Please! Oh! Flip you! Well, guys, you guys reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. This took me like an hour or two to make. And yeah, give me to 500 subs. I want to get there pretty fast. I mean, not pretty fast, but I'll take anything. But goodbye. See you later.